made this step-by-step tutorial to follow for a high pony, sleek braid. I hope you enjoy this video.
Before you begin, make sure you have excellent lighting and can see every part of your dancer's hair clearly. We are going to begin with smooth straight hair. If you need to straighten your dancer's hair before beginning this tutorial, please do. Step 1. Apply gel and hair and use a pushing motion to make sure the gel is pushed into the hair. Step 2. Comb hair into ponytail. Before moving on, double check that your dancer's hair is on the high point of the head. Be sure to look at every angle, front, side, back, and the other side. Step 3. Clip hair high so you can see all around the head. We are going to do step 4 in sections, and we are not going to do the entire head at once. Choose a section, comb hair up towards ponytail. If you need more gel, add more now. Use your hands and the back of the comb to smooth the hair. Add hairspray and smooth with your hands and the back of the comb. Use a hairdryer on the warm setting to stiffen and smooth out the hair. This step is very important and cannot be skipped. This is what keeps the shape of the hair for the entire competition day. Repeat these steps in each section of the head. If any sections of the hair need to be redone, or if there are bumps or flyaways, make sure to take care of it before moving on to step 5. Once step 4 is complete and your dancer has stiff and smooth hair with no bumps or flyaways, move on to step 5. Step 5. Take out the clip in the ponytail and redo the ponytail. It is very important to keep the hair as still as possible. Step 6. At this time, smooth out any bumps that were near the base of the ponytail. Step 7. Please double check that your dancer's hair is on the high point of the head. Be sure to look at every angle, front, side, back, and the other side. Step 8. Use a very strong layer of hairspray. Soak it down to lock in the shape for the entire competition day. Using only your hands, smooth out the hair. Step 9. Section off a small piece of the hair, not too much and not too little. Clip or tie the rest of the hair to the side. Use spiking glue hair gel and smooth out the small section of hair. Step 10. Begin by going underneath the ponytail and slowly and carefully wrap the hair around the ponytail. It is very important to take your time with this step. Smooth out the hair and keep it as flat as possible. No lumps, keep it very, very sleek. Hair should be sticky enough to press it around the ponytail without any hairpins. Hairspray, hair dry, hairspray, hair dry until it is completely locked in for the entire day. Step 11. Step 12. Press an absurd amount of mousse into the ponytail. Smooth out 3 even sections and braid. Smooth and flatten as you go. Step 13. Soak it down with hairspray to lock in the shape for the entire competition day. Step 14. Hairspray, hair dry, hairspray, hair dry until the braid is completely locked in for the entire day. The final step is to hairspray, hair dry, hairspray, hair dry every part of the head so it is completely locked in for the entire day. It can be helpful to dim the lights and shine a flashlight as if your dancer is on stage underneath the spotlights. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that our tutorial has helped you and your dancer achieve your dance hair goals.